Racing just is started. We have unfolding break, quick clear start, moving up on the outside, head spin, schematics in the middle, body shot, embraceable comes next, then followed over by Balota, Black Tulip, Nichols Choice comes next, Bartolina, Pills Game Wild Show, No Emotion is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Body Shot takes command. Schematics unfolding is Danori inside. Embraceable comes next. Head spin. Block. Tulip comes next, then followed over by Balota. Bartolina comes next, Nicole's Choice. Phil's Game second last while show. No Emotion is racing in 11th. Back to the leader, we have Body Shot by about 2 lengths unfolding in second. Black Tulip is sorry outside Embraceable. Head spin schematics comes next. Then comes Bartolina, Nichols Choice Balota. Next on line is Phil's Game while show No Emotion is still racing less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Body Shot moving up now on the outside is Black Tulip. Unfolding is Dolly inside as they swing for home. We have unfolding by our length and a half. Black Tulip is sorry outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have unfolding followed by Black Tulip on the outside. It's now Black Tulip and finally Black Tulip unfolding. Then comes number 1 Bartolina, Show No Emotion.